Hi guys, today we are going to be looking at the git log command and all the fancy things the git log command brings. I believe most of us, or if not all of us, use git log a lot. That is traditionally just saying git log, and this should show you the entire commit history uh, of everything you've done on the project. But we could also use git log with like flags, and these flags could help us narrow things or narrow the search a little bit you know to exactly what we want. For instance, I could do a git log. Let me clear this. So I could do a git log, and I could say pass the author flag, so dash dash author, and I could see the author should be I want just for melody Leonard. And if I do this, I'm going to see all the log for melody Leonard, right? And this is one thing you could do. You could also do it with date filtration, or for instance, I have a bunch of git commits. So if I do a git log, let's say dash dash one line. So I want to see this in a little bit of a one liner. So you're going to see I have this one, this one, this one. So basically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And if I do a git log, that's one line, and I do, let's say, I say since equals midnight, you would see, oh, yes, I need to pass this as a flag. My bad. And you will see I have just two since midnight, 1 and 2, right? And you could equally, like if I do a git log dash dash one line, and I do a dash dash since, and I say since equals today. Today is not recognized because I don't know, it's not part of the standard days. But what you could do is you could alias this, right? So you could do in your gate config, you could alias it to be like 12 a.m. or something of that nature. So you could do a gate config, and you could see in your gate config you want to set it globally slash global, and you could say alias. Is that the spelling of alias? Alias dot today, and you're saying that should be let's say 12 a.m. Let's see if this works, right? So if I do a git log, so a dash dash since equals today. Does this work? Nope, it doesn't work. Yeah, I think what we could do instead is we could do alias dot so we could do this, we could say log log sin dash dash since, and we could say equals 12 a.m. and with this we could just do a git this today. Would this work? Yeah, it works. I guess this becomes a little bit tricky here because when you alias today at 12 a.m. You have to, when you pass the flag, it's either formatted already here with string or something. Probably we could even do something like this. Let's see if we could get this to work. 12 a.m. Would this work for us? I don't know. Let's see. So let's do a git log. Since today, it still doesn't work. So I'm not going to sweat on this one. But yeah, just know you could do, you could add an alias, and subsequently you could use that alias, right? So we've looked at how to do git log with things like filter for auto. We could do a date range as well. So we could do git log dash dash one line, and what we could do is we could do a dash dash author equals melody Leonard, and we could do a date range. So let's say we want to do a date range for since, so we could say dash dash since, and that since could be a date format, right? So it comes with the year. I don't know which date format is this, but the one that comes with the year 2024. Then you have the months, which is this, and you have the actual day, which like which could be tenths, right? And say dash dash until, and the until could be same date format, right? So have 2024 dash let's say 11 dash 30th. So, and if this is correct, this should log from this date range to this date range. And yeah, we have that. So you can see that say something is here, say goodbye is here, but say not something else is not here, and all that. And you know this when you do a git log, you'll see dash dash one line. You would see those ones, right? And yeah, so this is basically git log. I find it's very helpful when I'm working on a very complex projects. And one of the places where you could apply this is, say for instance, you're doing something, you're using Jira, Asana, ClickUp, or Trello, and someone has worked on a project, probably on a blog status for like 2 years, and you come back to that, you don't know exactly what has been done on that very project and or feature, and you want to start working on that. Now you could spend hours trying to do something that is a duplicate already, or something that is just redundant code, or you could do a git log from when the, let's say, the status moved to in progress to when the status moved to complete, and you could see all the git log for that specific date range, and with that you could narrow down your search for the commits that you want. And with that you could apply something like git cherry pick to your gits to get specifically what you want. And if you think I'm sweating, well, it's almost 40 degrees right now, so yeah. All right, take care guys.